It's a beautiful day, May 30th, 2026. And here's another update on the workshop. So, I've done a few things, I guess, since the last time I shot a clip. Yeah, kind of everything sort of works. I've got nice tiebacks here. I'll show you these. These are pretty cool. They're like you would use on a trailer. How do you do this? Let me see. Like that. Basically, so I've got one of those on each side so I can pry the doors open and they don't bang around. Nice screen. And lights are already on. So this front half I'm using as kind of my office for the nice weather for summer, I guess. But can use it for various things. And yeah, put some shelves in. Yeah, nice sturdy shelves. I'm putting some surface, whatever, some coating liners on top of them, so I can put smaller items on there. Maybe just on the top 3 shelves anyway. And yeah, put a new drill press in, a nice 10-inch. So that's so I can do guitar bodies a little bit bigger, and it's got a nice smooth chuck and everything works good. Put my bench grinder, whatever, belt sander on there. So that works good for removing a lot of material quickly. And I restored this nice old miter saw. It's been seized for the last, I don't know, 10 years or so. I couldn't index it either way. And I took it all apart and cleaned it and oiled it, and now it works perfectly. So that's kind of cool. And a buffer. And yeah, anyway, as you can see, some nice workbenches too. 2 6-foot workbenches, and they both have, a little bit hard to see, but they both have power outlets on them, 3 or 4 outlets on each one, and a couple of USB charging ports. So I'm not sure if I use those out here, but yeah, so yeah, there's lots of power. But you know, I'm only ever using one thing at a time, really, so it's, yeah, lots of outlets anyway. And yeah, new toolbox there, so I'm thinking that one there fits under there so good, I may put another one just like it right beside it. So yeah, and I put some rubberized sort of vinyl material on these countertops because it grabs wood really good, and that's kind of mostly what I'll be working on. I like something, if I put a guitar body on there, it'll stick, you know, so it'll kind of hold the work for me a bit. So yeah, that's the latest. I don't think there's anything else that I haven't shown, but yeah, it's coming along. Now that I've got at least one tool chest, I'd like to get the 2, like I said. And I need something to store guitar parts too, like just, you know, so I can, I mean, I got a lot of guitar parts, but you know, if I can't find it and put my hands on it, I might as well not have it. So anyway, that's kind of, it's a work in progress, but coming along nicely.